Your Insignia TV turns on, sound is working, but the screen stays completely black. No picture, no menu, just audio playing in the background. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix this. First, take a look at the front of your TV and check if the power light is on. This helps us know that the TV is at least getting power. If the light is on, try turning the TV off and on again using the remote. If that doesn't work, use the physical power button on the TV itself. Sometimes the remote might not respond, so it's a good idea to check both. Unplug the TV from the wall and make sure it's completely disconnected from power. Then press and hold the physical power button on the TV, not the remote, for about 30 seconds. After that, wait at least 60 seconds before plugging the TV back in. Once you plug it in, turn it on and see if the picture comes back. Make sure your TV is plugged directly into a wall outlet. If you're using a surge protector or a smart plug, remove it and plug the TV straight into the wall. If the screen is still black, try a different wall outlet to rule out any power supply issues. Now unplug all the HDMI cables and any other external devices from the TV, but leave the power cable in. Turn the TV on while nothing else is connected. If the screen is still black, start plugging in your devices one by one and test each HDMI port to see if the picture returns. You can also try different HDMI cables or use a different port on the TV, especially one on another side if available. With the TV turned on and sound coming through, take a flashlight or use your phone's flashlight and shine it very closely against the screen in a dark room. Look carefully to see if you can spot any faint images or movement on the screen. If you can see something, that means the backlight isn't working, but the screen is actually displaying an image. If you don't see anything at all, the issue may be deeper and would likely need a technician. Try gently pressing around the edges of the TV screen using your hands. You're checking to see if there's any change in the display, like a quick flash or image returning when you apply light pressure. This isn't a fix, but it can help confirm if there's a loose internal cable inside the TV. That's it for this video on how to fix an Insignia TV that has sound but no picture. I hope these steps helped you get the screen working again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Got any questions or did one of these steps work for you? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what helped. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.